wrecked earlier into that tree. This is a DJI right there, Air 2S, and let me show you here if this thing will focus. See how this one over here has a orange dilly on it, and these here don't? Yeah, I broke the one that had this, and they go on each opposite side. So an orange one goes over here where the orange ones are. See these orange dots right here on top? Yeah, and then this one over here don't have it. So this one over here will go here. But anyway, when I hit that tree, I broke one of my props here. Broke one of these. So I got to order some more. This is called an A prop, and this is a B prop. I got a bunch of B props here. But yeah, these here's pretty wore up. Some of them's busted. Look at that one. Chipped. Yeah, I've wrecked it. But yeah, I just wanted to show you. That's why I didn't get no more video of the rest of the day. But hope you enjoyed the drone view here of the snow.